What's up, y'all? So here's the daily recap for March 31st, 2025. We went 0-1 today. Well, we took half size of a loss, which actually was a win, and I'm going to show you exactly what happened. I just should have trusted my analysis more. So basically, we have a daily demand slash swing right here. And then if we zoom into the 1 hour chart, we can see that we also have a 1 hour demand that was created around this area right here. So we know that this is a strong buying area. So we basically want to see price come back to this area and give us some strong buying. So let me go into bar replay mode so we can see exactly what happened. So at first I was contemplating on just using the 1 hour chart because I was having a lot of success with the 1 hour chart. But when I zoomed into the 5-minute chart, I did see that there was a nice high quality setup. Now this is my funded account challenge. So basically I knew that as soon as it hits, as soon as it hits 4 p.m., I'm going to get kicked out of this trade. So I didn't take anything yet. I just wanted to see more confirmation. So when price broke above right here, it broke above the daily swing, or it held above the daily swing, held above the 1 hour demand, held above everything. I went long right here. And now at this time, I'm looking at the time and I'm seeing, okay, it's 1 p.m. I only have till 4 p.m. The market should slow down, right? So I entered the trade right here. Stop loss is below here. Take profit is up here. Now, as soon as price came right here and created this this supply zone, let me show you. Boom. As soon as price did this, it created a bearish head and shoulders, right? So I'm looking at this. I'm seeing, okay, it made a bearish pin bar candle, huge solid bar candle, came back, failed to make a new high right here, and it closed below with a solid bar candle. So right here is actually where I left the trade. Now let me show you where I did enter. So let's show you where you can actually see what this will look like. Boom. Entered the trade right here, and boom, I left around this area. And then as soon as I left around this area, look what happened. Boom. 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 You have to trust your analysis. Look at where we were. Look at where we were on this trade. And you have to trust your analysis. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if you take the loss. I should have just held this position. But now moving forward, I know that I can hold till maybe 3 p.m., maybe even 4 p.m., depending on what the market looks like. Because I literally thought this move was going to happen, and it did happen. So many tells, so many confluences on my side. But I left simply for the fact that I knew I was going to get kicked out at 4 p.m. Now, is that something I need to start considering? Do I need to say, okay, it's going to be 4 p.m. I need to leave? That's something I'm going to have to double check with my statistics and look at. I'm going to have to just journal this. Again, I took half size loss. Like I said, it didn't even hit my stop loss. It went right here. I didn't like how it looked, and I left. Next time, what I'm going to do is I'm going to just set my alerts, and I'm just going to walk away no matter what happens. Like I said, automatically, I knew I was going to get kicked out at 4 p.m. So that did play a major role in me taking this loss. And again, it was only a half size loss, so it wasn't even a big loss or anything. But the fact that it was almost like I was doing like an options contract, almost like I'm scalping an options contract where I know I'm going to get kicked out at a certain time. But moving forward, I'm just going to set alerts, not look at the chart no matter what. Let me know. Let me know if you got anything from this. Let me know what you think I should have done better. And let's get this money, y'all. Let's go.